lovelies, welcome back. I hope you guys are keeping well, and on today's agenda we have a review video. So today I'm going to review a product from Mama Earth. The name of the hair mask is Argan hair mask, and this is how the bottle looks. So this one I'm going to talk about it in a little bit detail. I'm going to discuss what the product is, how to use it, and blah blah. But before that, if you're new to my channel and haven't subscribed me yet, then you really need to do by clicking on the subscribe button down below, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that you stay updated every time I post a video. And now let's cruise into today's video. Before I say anything about the product, I would just like to talk about why should you ever use a hair mask. So hair mask is like a deep conditioner. So what does a conditioner do? Conditioner actually strengthens your hair, provides shines, and kind of nourishes your hair. But when you use a hair mask, everything intensifies. So using a hair mask means more nourishment, more shine, and more strength to your hair. So a lot of things can change for your hair if you start using a hair mask. And one last thing that I want to share with you guys before I review this product is about the brand itself. So as I told you, the product is from Mama Earth. And why did I choose this brand? Because this brand actually produces products which are chemical free, are natural, and one of the major USP of the product is that they are plastic positive. That is, they are recycling more plastic than they actually produce. So that way, if you buy a product from this brand, you can add something back to nature. So this is about the brand, and now let me talk about the hair mask itself. So the hair mask consists of argan, avocado oil and milk protein. So what does it promise? It says that if you start using this hair mask, your hair would strengthen and it would kind of give your hair shine. And the product is best suited if you have dry, damaged, frizzy hair. Now I actually use this product on my hair, and I'm going to show you guys, and then I'm going to talk about how did I actually feel for the product.
The first step that you need to do before applying the mask is that you have to wet your hair. Once that is done, you are supposed to part your hair into two halves and then take a palm full of hair mask and apply evenly from root to tip. Now you can massage the hair mask gently into your hair so that every strand of your hair is covered with the hair mask and you do not leave any single strand. After that, you have to leave the mask for 15 to 25 minutes approx, and then you can wash it off with a shampoo, with your any favorite shampoo, whichever you have, and ensure that it is chemical free. If you have really dry frizzy hair, you can apply this mask for twice a week, otherwise once a week will also go good.
I'm going to start about what I feel for the product. Now, talking about how my hair is, so I do have dry frizzy hair, and I've stressed upon that several times that because of my schedule I cannot actually take care of my hair. At times I forget to oil my hair for weeks, and that is really terrible. I tell you guys, that's really terrible. Never ever stop oiling your hair. So this hair mask actually kind of nourished my hair, so it was just one-time usage. So I think that the product did work on me, and it made my hair kind of soft, and they were not at all frizzy. So after I washed my hair, I felt the frizz was gone and they felt soft, and I think they have kind of shine as well. So you can see for yourself, because I applied this hair mask and I washed the hair, and then I'm sitting in front of you and shooting this video. So the results are in front of you guys, and I think that the product did work on me. So if you're somebody who has been looking for products which could actually help you provide some solution for your dry, frizzy, damaged hair, then I think that you can hop on this product and it will really benefit you. Now let's talk about one last thing, that's the price of the product. So the product is going to cost you ₹600, but I actually got a coupon code for you, and that's in the description box down below, and the product is also available on Amazon. So please feel free and go check it out there, and that's it for today. And I'm gonna see you guys in my next one. Till then, stay blessed and stay happy. Bye!